Hey guys, I wanted to go over your lessons for November 12th and 13th, and then of course through to the 16th. So November 12th is a Thursday, which is a good day to start studying for your test, which will be on the 16th, which is Monday. But what I want you to do is go to your Sycamore page, and I want you to pull up the review sheet. It's going to be a little bit differently than usual, so I'm showing you where it is on this video. So you're going to click on Test 4 review sheet, and I placed it under attachments, and the reason that I had to do that is because it's a handwritten answer key this time, so you'll just download each of the pages. As you can see, I wrote in the answers, and I have 3 pages of it uploaded for you here. The last page is it ends with number 63, and there's an essay there. Don't worry about the essay. I'm not requiring you to do that. Okay, and then we're going to do tests a little bit differently too because of the fact that I'm on maternity leave. So I put your tests within the test 4 general description area. So all you have to do is copy and paste the test into an untitled Word document, somewhat similar to what you did with your answers with pictures assignment. So I'm just going to remind you how to do that. So you're going to copy everything, Control C, and then let me backspace over that. We will say Control V, and then we have our test 4. And when you're finished with test 4, you're going to turn it into Dropbox. Thank you.